We have now got a serious problem in the living water. The campus have sent us an urgent message to fix a problem in one of the cabins. It's supposed to be some kind of terrible leakage, and that's because of the harsh environment in the North Sea. Hello again. Now we are inside the living water and doing a very complicated job. There is some leakage in the sink in one of the cabins, and I have with me now an unskilled worker to do the job, because mechanical department don't do that ourselves. We just delegate and supervise. You see, there he is. To do this job, we need some very specialized and high quality tool. Knipex. This tool do most of the work, and it's a very good quality tool. And I will now hand it over to this unskilled worker and try to explain him how to use it. Here you go. Be careful and do your job quickly, please.
What is this?
Now the unskilled worker, he have dismantled the leakage point, and we will now try to install a new gasket. But since we don't have the original gasket, we use something else, and it's this lip seal, because we have to improvise, so the person who lives here don't get wet on his feet when he uses the sink. The problem with the unskilled worker is that they work actually quite slowly. I've been standing here waiting for actually a long time to see if he gets finished. But it's typical. Unskilled worker, no pay, so they work slowly. Terrible. I need to maybe find some new ones later. The problem with, as I said, with the unskilled worker is that they don't know anything. What happened now is the leakage is now fixed, but the unskilled worker managed to make two other leakages. So now we have actually two problems that I need to solve and make him fix. Typical unskilled worker. They can't do anything themselves. I need to take over and be in charge and fix it. Because of unexpected problems and with the seals, then we need some specialized tool. Actually the best tool in the world for fixing things, especially cutting. It's this Leatherman Surge. It's the best tool ever. As you see now, I have trained my unskilled worker to do some work with his hands. It goes okay, but so I still have to keep my eyes on him. And now the job is done. There is no more leakages, and as you all see now, that you can't use unskilled workers for this kinds of job anyway. But now everything is good, and it's another success from the mechanical department.